Um, okay, hello fellow scratchers. Today, I don't know. Today you're gonna learn how to create games, like tile-based games, where everything is made out of tiles. Not. I don't mean the player. No, not the player. Okay, not the player. But I mean pretty much the world, everything, the enemies, what do they call it? The ground, structures, everything's made out of tiles. So this can make us create games that look like this. Oh wow, look at this. This cat is I don't know what the problem with this cat, but this cat seems like she found a piece of meat and she ain't eating for 3 weeks. She's now running for it. As you can see, here's the escape system. One of this tile isn't solid, and the others are all solid. Now, this game is nice. As you can see, everything is laid out with piece of tile. All of them are 16 by 16 pixels. So if you're drawing them, just be sure to make them 16 by 16 pixels. Or if you just found one on Google, you can just go to EasyGIF, split them, and then save them as a zip, and then you can just put them in the Scratch project. Or if you just want to draw them like what I did here, this is not the best thing, you can do it, but just ensure they're 16 by 16, or everything you expected to be nice, all of it will just go bye. I don't like it. It will not love you. It just will go. And this layout of screen will be like this. Will be here up. Here will be small gaps, and maybe this will go down. Some will be down. Some will not be here. Some it will have gaps, and yeah, it's not gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4. This nice layout of tiles. So if you're ready and you're brave enough, so let's get scratching. And to start simple, we're just gonna need to know how to make the tiles go full on the screen, and how we can use up clones from the clone limit that Scratch gives us. It only gives 300 clones, and to fill one screen only 200. That's why we need to know what to do. So now I got something that yes, you're gonna like. As you can see, this is a screen full of tiles. It means not full of tiles. It means in here, as you can see, there is I'm not gonna count them. As you can see here, they're laid out like that. Now in these tiles, what I want to do is that when a tile moves off screen, it goes back but has another costume. Like as you can see, this tile is here, and I move, and this tile isn't here, and this tile wasn't here. So do you know what happened to this tile? This tile literally moved to here. That's what I want. And now the other thing is how we're gonna lay them out. We're gonna start by the normal original sprite, starting from here, moving downwards, then filling the whole screen. That's what I want to do. And wow, I said 4 minutes just telling you how we're gonna make it. I'm just playing this stupid demo, cat game. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Maybe waiting for dinner. No, we're waiting for Scratch. So to start, we need to have all of these clones. We need to have not clones. I said clones a lot. We need to have all of these variables. And as you can see, here are some tiles. These are the demo tiles I have. And let me tell you what these tiles will do. We start with the big. Now, if you want to, don't draw this, but I'm just gonna draw it. This keeps the sprites off screen. The off-screen sprites can scroll smoothly, but if we didn't have this big costume, it's just gonna keep staying in here maybe you've tried it. Maybe you've tried to make a enemy, and then when you move, you scroll with the arrow keys, it's gonna still be there. Half of the body is gonna still be there. That's what's gonna happen in the clones if you didn't have this big costume. But this big costume is big, and Scratch keeps big sprites off screen. It can let big sprites go off screen. Costume 2. Costume 2. Okay. This costume is for the blank places. As I said last time, there in this Scratch project, there's gonna be a ground, and there is some places that are non-solid, which are the blank costumes. Yeah, which are the blank costumes, which will be like a black ground, and a transparent costume will never be solid. You're gonna see when I make the episode of the collisions. You're gonna understand how I mean. We're gonna only keep the sprite, not checking for collisions. If it's transparent, if it's the transparent costume, which is costume 2 and or tile 2, and keep them, if there's like this costume, keep them solid. Check them for collisions. Yeah. Now these are just some stupid drawings I made. They're not the best. As you can see, the iron is literally the same as the redstone, just none. Okay, now I just made these variables so we can use them in the tutorial. So now let's just start by adding the one green flag clicked. Okay, let me show the sprite. We want the sprite to go here. Now I just set the size to 200 because 16 by 16 we're gonna look very small. So I just set the size to 200. I'm just gonna set to 200. Okay. I think we're not gonna do much in this tutorial because look at time. Time very low. Okay, so at first we're gonna repeat. Now for a test, let's repeat 4 times. And okay, and then here maybe set X to 16. 16. Oh, set X to 16. Oh yeah. Set X to 16, and then we repeat 4 times. And then inside here we set Y to 16. And yeah, that's how we're gonna make it like that. Now when we move, we need to, what was it called? Yeah, we need to clones. We need to use the clones. Now for now, we're not gonna do the horizontal. Let's do the variable. So in here, set the Y up in here, and then we change Y by, well, if we had the tile size, we can just literally just put the tile size, but because it's double 16, it's gonna be 32. Okay, so now let's create a clone of myself. Oh wow. Now when you show this to your mom, you're just gonna say, wow, you're professional. Because we only have this stupid tiles. As you can see. Oh wow, this is an infinite generator of tiles. It's a problem with it. Okay, let's put the tile in here. Weep. Wow, nice. Okay, so now let's just stop wasting time. Okay, maybe, yeah, that doesn't do something. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. Now what's more to do? We can just move it down. And as you can see, I kept a variable called clone count y for the work to get the job done. So we need to have a minus. Where's the minus? I hate when you don't find the minus. Just add 0 inside here. Okay, so in here we need to repeat clone count y times. Yeah, repeat clone count y times. Yeah, for loops. Okay, and in here let's set the clone count y to. What's the clone count y? Yeah, the clone count y. Here to 5, maybe. Okay, so let's run the script with this green flag. Oh wow. Okay, that's nice. So now we can do the same for the x. We have this clone count x. Now I most probably created the variables. Maybe we paused the video and created them. Okay, so now we need to add in the repeat loop for it. And this repeat loop. Okay, no, we don't need this. Don't need it. Okay, so in here we need to add in the clone count x. And yeah, oh, we set it. I don't know that we set it. And here we set the x. Clone count x. Where's clone count x? Yeah, here it's clone. So this was most probably an intro for the tutorial and how we're gonna use it and how we're gonna make it for you and you understand it. Okay, so now we can test the script. Wow. As you can see, we created today we just created how we're gonna arrange them. In the second tutorial we're gonna create the better arrangement for them, like keeping like letting them go full the screen, and how we're gonna fix nothing to fix. Okay, and how we're gonna fix scrolling off screen, and yeah, these things. Yeah, scrolling off screen and not letting the sprite stay on screen. The off screen ones stay off on screen, and how we're gonna fix and how we're gonna use the scrolling system to get these tiles to go literally from here to here. So today this was a little intro of how we're gonna start this tutorial, and well, bye. I guess keep on scratching, don't play game. Okay, yeah, this is better. Okay, don't play games all the time, or you're gonna be not so good in your math lessons. Okay, and well, bye. I'm just testing the script. This is the last time. Yes, this thing here not nice. Okay, so now bye guys. See you next time. Or